It's Zafin once again. So this is day 3. So let's just dive in. Let's dive in and do our daily tasks, and we'll also be carrying out new tasks. So we'll be working on some other projects, but let's just do our old, the ones we're already working on. Okay, so yeah, so there's Sonayom and okay, so we'll be carrying out some swaps, and yeah, okay, so we'll be doing this 5 times or probably less, just to manage time. So that didn't go through. That's kind of weird, because I have enough Testnet tokens. Okay, it says transaction complete, so let's just do that again. And here, so this is the second one. So yeah, that's done. So we're just gonna wait for this to build up. So yeah, so okay, so send that, and yeah, okay. So basically you can use Chrome for this. There's a way you can use Chrome for this. Let me show you, so you won't. So I'll be going to my Chrome website and pasting this in, and click on connect wallet, then click on wallet connect and select the wallet. So yeah, OKX. So yeah, so connect. So it is saying we have to switch. So yeah, we'll go back and we have to switch to Sepolia and see how that works out. So let's reload this. Okay, so let's disconnect and try this again. So there's a reason why it is quite easy or better to use OKX wallet. You don't have to go through this painful process. So it is just in the OKX Web3 wallet app. So it's the app session. You can interact with different apps on OKX. And okay, let's just try something. I don't know why it's doing like that, but let's just try something. So review deposit, and you see why it's better to use OKX wallet, because you have to always, it has to refer you back whenever you're making transaction. It has to refer you back to OKX for you to go click accept or something. So there will be a prompt, so it has to take you back. And yeah, so you can see. So let's just close. I'll be closing my Chrome. We'll be using OKX. It's very easy to use, especially for newbies. So the only tax I believe you don't need, you probably, OKX might not be very suitable, is probably if you want to do all these social campaigns like Zilly, GALXE, Taxon, Interact. So you have to use, these are platforms that you can actually do social tax. You can do social tax for many of these projects are working on, like their Twitter page, follow all the stuff. So I would advise that you use Kiwi browser or Mises browser. It's actually like you're using a PC. And if you also want to download extensions that are not available as mobile apps, extensions are apps yeah, they are like apps on your PC, so you can add them to your browser. But you many of those apps, they are not available for mobile phone users, so you might not be able to use them. So it is advisable that you use Kiwi browser. So it is advisable that you use Kiwi browser or Mises. So let's just go on. So just do these like 4 transactions of these every day. So just do this every day. And okay, yeah, confirm. So I hope you guys are following. I hope you guys are learning basically how to interact on testnet campaigns. So let's go to Sonic Arcade. Let's go to Sonic Arcade. So whoa, so it's under maintenance. So we'll not be able to access this because it's under maintenance. So we just have to leave this. I think they are fixing the issues that arose due to scalability, like due to the fact that there are a lot of people getting on the chain, and now the server cannot hold them, and the functionalities are actually not, they are not working good. So it's just something like that. So let's just go to something else. Okay, these are projects I've been doing. So you can see particle network. So many of these tabs I haven't closed them. So let's check this out. quest.ledger.com. Okay, no, this is another. So I'll be closing these tabs, and yeah, I'll be closing these tabs. So remember ZK Candy. Let's just interact, and we won't be playing the game. We'll be interacting on the testnet. ZK Candy, you can actually find the links to ZK Candy from our previous videos. Just check out the video, you will see it. So let's dive in. So I'll be going to the testnet. I won't be going, wow, so 2.4 million registered wallets. That's crazy. But I believe they are CPUs are actually like half of that, probably, like, because ZK Candy is not a project that is, so I believe there are a lot of CPUs and farmers. You know what the CPU is? I've explained it. It's just an entity that farms an airdrop like aggressively, like it is a macro farming, like it's farming aggressively, like someone with 30 wallets farming the same airdrop. So they are trying to get shares that belong to other persons, but they are trying to get more, so they reduce the amount that you're supposed to get. So let's just go to bridge. So click on bridge, and I'll be putting these links out in the group, so it will be easy for you guys. So you don't, but I would advise that you check out the videos we've made, just so it can be very easy for you. I'll advise you do that. That's just wise to do that. So just check out the videos and follow the steps that were actually shown there. So I'll be switching to Sepolia, and I would be swapping some of my testnet Ethereum on Sepolia. Sepolia is actually a testnet chain, so it's just basically for testing new products. Okay, so I just have to wait for this change wallet network to, okay, 0. Okay, let me swap more than that. And okay, this is, I wonder why it's doing this. So I don't have anything on here yet. So I'll just click on this, and okay, let me try to change to this. So it looks like many of these projects are actually experiencing scalability issues. A lot of persons, just trying to make end meet and all those stuff. So okay, yeah, so it's working. So bridge, yeah, so bridge, we're going to bridge, and I'll just be bridging twice. Basically, I'm just showing you this step so you can understand. So when we start the main move, when we take the main move, you will not be left confused, so you can just do the transactions yourself even without waiting for videos or something like that. So you can just wake up and just do your 5 transactions per project and then carry on. So we'll be making another one. I'll be making a huge one because I would be okay, because I have to swap back. So I think this ZK Candies network is actually very fast. Their TPS is fast, transactions per speed. So I think the rate of processing is just extra. It is very fast. So wow, this one says 14 minutes left. That's crazy. Whoa, I think a lot of persons are using. And then okay, so let's just go back and let's check. Probably we have some of our funds in, so we can see. Okay, yeah, so whoa, so we don't have any funding, so whoa, so definitely this is now very slow. They have a lot of work to do on this. So let's just move to another project. And okay, so we've done Soneum. Sonic Arcade is in it's actually on maintenance, so I'll just be going to my Telegram and I'll be checking out my saved. And okay, yeah, so turnkey, we did turnkey. So let's check out Meuna. So I will be exploring Meuna using my Kiwi app, so you can see how you can run some GALXE task or probably the 3 task. So the 3 is quite easy. You can do it on OKX or 3 wallet, but I want that you do it on Kiwi, because the experience will be so different. So I'll just be copying this out and opening up my Kiwi browser. So I'll be opening up my Kiwi browser and we'll be getting started on Meuna. Okay, so yeah, okay, so we just have to wait for that. So yeah, you can see this is loading up, and okay, so we just have to wait, and this is loading up, so we just have to wait. So yeah, so cool. So you'll be connecting your wallet, or okay, yeah, so cool. Either you connect your wallet or you actually like open a new account or something like that. So yeah, so this is the prompt for us to connect our wallet and start the social tasks. So yep, and okay, yeah, so I'm logging in and connect. So yeah, cool. I'll be going back and okay, so cool. So yeah, so it says follow Meuna I on Twitter. I have to check my social accounts. I can't remember many of my social accounts, so I just have to check. Which one. So of course you have to actually use the social accounts you linked to your GALXE or your GALXE. I don't know the spelling of that or the pronunciation. I know the spelling, but I don't know the pronunciation. But just manage what I'm saying, so you understand. So you have to use the social accounts that you linked to this platform, the GALXE. That is what you have to use for those social tasks that those projects are actually portraying. So I'll be checking my social accounts here to see if I have them logged in on here. So yep. So let's just okay. So just click here, and basically I don't know. I think I want to engage mobile users more, so you can understand that your excuses are not actually excuses. They are just, I don't know, is it ignorance or the fact? Yeah, we can call it ignorance. So this is just knowledge for you, so you can see that people with mobile, phones are actually doing many of those tasks. So you can do same too. Trust me, you can do same. So I'll be checking the okay. I think I have another account logged in on here, so I'll be switching that to okay. I'll be logging in another account so I can use that. So okay. So yeah, we'll just have to use another account. So let's just log in. So I'll be using a social account just to make things easier. And okay. So yeah, I'll be clicking authorize. So this is just so they can track your activities and see if you truly did all those tasks. So let's just go back and okay. So yeah, so let's do the task. So it says follow, so wait for the pop-up. So yeah, so follow, click on follow and just go back to here, and just click this icon. Okay, so you can see, so you recognize that you've done that. So click the second task and let's wait for the pop-up. So yeah, so click on follow, and now we're going back and click on that. Then we're going to click on follow lister. So yeah, follow. Okay, so follow and go back and click this. So it says join. So you have to link your Telegram. I don't even have my Telegram linked, but let's just see about that. I'm not sure if I have my Telegram linked. So click on view in Telegram and it directs you to, so okay, so let's wait till it pop up. So yeah, so it directed us here. So click on join and you can mute if you're someone who doesn't like notifications and all those stuff, so you can just mute this. And okay, so we're going to go back and you can close this tab if you're someone who doesn't like everything being messy and all those stuff, so you can just close the tab. So let's see if okay, so yeah, we haven't done that, so I have to go check on my Telegram. Okay, so I have to check on my Telegram account is, let me see if I added any. So yeah, so yep, I have to go back and I have to use the Telegram account linked. So whoa, I have to use the Telegram account linked. So we have to go back. Just re-click this and okay, I have to go back to my Telegram and oh yeah, nope. So you just do that. I don't have the Telegram on here, it's on my PC, but you just make sure you do that. So click on these and you can open multiple tabs and just do them. So just have to wait for this. Okay, so sometimes this can be frustrating, but you just have to keep doing it. You just have to keep doing this. Basically, nothing is easy. It might be free, but it's not easy. So that is done. I'll be doing this too, and I'll be liking, and I'll be going back and okay. So yeah, so visit Bitsy. So yeah, so I'll be checking this out. I click the link. So yeah, so as when I had done this, I would be getting 180 and 35 points. So it is like just an NFT to signify that you completed a certain campaign by a project. So they give you that just to show that you did this and you completed it. So it's sometimes used for the requirements to get an airdrop and all those stuff. So basically I will just be so let's just test the testnet itself, Meuna. So let's just test the testnet itself and okay, saved messages and okay, yeah, so I'll be copying the testnet page and I'll be pasting in my OKX. Actually, I love using OKX Web3 wallet so much. Very, very beginner friendly. Very beginner friendly. Very beginner friendly. So I'll be clicking this and okay. So I have to close my Kiwi browser. It's actually making my phone drag, my phone's processing power. So that's considering the fact that I'm using it with the recording function. So okay, so we just have to wait for this to load. I just hope we won't be needing a VPN, so we just have to wait and watch this load. And okay, so many of these projects you have to keep doing them. So there's a probability that we have to use a VPN. So you can get this free VPN. It's on the I'll be sending the link out. But many of you have it. You should have it basically. So this is just Satoshi VPN. So it's actually very free. We'll be waiting for the ad. So yeah, so we're connected. So I'll just go back to OKX and reload this. So let's see if there will be any improvement. So yeah, I was right. So I was very, very right about that. So you need a VPN because many of these projects I don't know, there's a geo blocking thing that they do where they block out some locations or some, just not to do, or just access their page, their website or something like that. So it can be quite, very frustrating, but it doesn't happen like this all the time. So yeah, so we are just in. So the first thing we're going to do, I'll be checking my guide on Telegram. So I just saved it on Telegram. I used my save. So you can save many of, anything you need, you can save it on your saved messages. But not your state phrase, please, not your private keys. I don't advise you to do that. So the first thing is visit, connect your wallet. Okay, so let's connect our wallet. And so okay, we're connecting our wallet. Okay, so let's just firstly go and receive the Testnet token. And this site is very slow, very very slow, probably because it's on mobile. So I'll be switching to desktop mode and we'll see if there will be a change. So yeah, so you can just switch to desktop mode, and this is where you do that. So just click on the three horizontal dots here, so and click on switch. You'll see switch to desktop mode. So I'll be connecting. Just if you don't see OKX, no need to worry, just click on MetaMask. There will be a prompt so you can see that. So the thing to do is get the Testnet tokens. So let's get the Testnet tokens here. Request Testnet tokens. I hope we have. Okay, we don't have BNB. We don't have the BNB. So we need some Testnet BNB. Whoa. So let me see how we can get that. I think I should have some test BNB in my. I think I should. I believe I should. So I'll be checking some of my wallet now to see if I have some. Or we can let's just claim. Let's find. So I'll be checking out BNB test tokens for sale. Okay, so let's click the main one. So yeah, so we're selecting. So you have to copy. So yeah, send 0.3. Okay, reject additional cookies. So you have to solve a captcha. Oh, what the hell? This is torture. So yeah, captcha done. We wait for our tokens. Oh, so we need some fee on BSC mainnet to be able to access this. So we'll just find another. So yeah, I was able to get some BNB, some test BNB. So we'll be using that. I'll be putting out the link to the faucet that you can use in claiming this. So actually it might look quite hard right now, but as time goes, you would be able to understand how exactly to do. You might not be able to get it all at once, but you just have to keep trying. I started out like that, so I didn't understand much of all those stuff, but I was dogged. It's just something like that. So I was dogged about it, so I just had to keep on trying. I saw people do most of this stuff and I didn't understand all, but I just tend to go back and rewatch and just reapply it again. So all those kind of stuff, you just have to be very curious about things. So I'll be requesting for a testnet token, and we'll be waiting. So it says I don't have enough BNB to cover the maximum network fee. So wow, that's, I had some tokens now. I had some Testnet tokens. Now. So we just might have to wait. So yeah, so I had to go to a faucet and claim some BNB. So you can also, I'll put out this link in the group and you'll be able to use that. So I'll be going back and we'll be checking this out once again. So request 8 tokens and confirm. Okay, so yeah, that is done, and we should actually have our 8 token. But how do we know that? We just have to go back. So go back to, okay, so we have 208 tokens, so I'll be swapping out just 10 and max. So we don't have enough Testnet tokens. So but you understand, this is how you can actually do that. So let's check out what else about Meuna. So engaging, so you just have to keep swapping. So it's just something like that. Let me try out another faucet and see if we can actually get more. Okay, so let's try this one out and we'll be seeing if, oh, so we have to do some social task. Well, let's just do that. So follow, and then it says tweet, so let's just tweet that, post, and okay, so we have to copy the tweet URL and so we have to copy that, and okay, so I'll be going back and putting this in, and then I am human, and okay, so receive tokens. Let's see if this will work. All right, so we received 0.1. Wow, so that's enough for us to use. So I'll be putting our link to that exact faucet so we can all use that. So yeah, so you can see, so it reflected fast. So yep, so just keep doing it, and just reverse the case, click on sell, and then you sell the tokens when they are in. So just buy and sell, so just something like that. So let's go to pool. So our tokens are not in yet, so we just have to wait for it. We have to wait for our tokens to be in. First. So yeah, so let's just stop here. So day 4 we continue again on this, and then we have to work on at least 10 projects, and I believe we're doing probably 5 or 6 now. We're doing 5 or 6 now, or probably 4 or 5 now. So gradually I'll be opening your eyes to see how you can actually interact, like how to start out. Then later on you can also turn to an OG and start doing it all by yourself. It's not something hard, so you can just start doing it all by yourself. It's not hard. So let's just end it here. So good night, guys. It's Zaf here once again. Do have a great night. So